counties in Pennsylvania, Crawford, and Erie.
An urgent weather message for the following county: Chautauqua County, New York, and Ashtabula County, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Crawford, Erie, Van Anglo, and Warren, and the following.
Urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southeastern Crawford County, Pennsylvania. At 2:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour.
Can't really
These
hear it, I'm
storms are
sorry.
located along the line extending from 16 miles northeast of Titusville to 12 miles south of Meadville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations near the path of severe thunderstorms include: a severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday evening for northern Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Crawford County, Pennsylvania.
An urgent weather message for the following county: Chautauqua County, New York, and Ashtabula County, Ohio.